screen and quickly walk you through what we have been doing so far, so that you're familiar with what we do. Those people who have joined just now, just let me quickly walk you through our channel. We have been doing some great work in last 1 year as podcaster. I have interviewed some of the greatest marketing minds in last 1 year. You can see a lot of videos. This guy Modi is one of the known marketers in PPC space. Then you can see Puna Veji is working with LinkedIn. He is quite known as an expert. Uh, this guy runs SEOjobs.in, so he has some great information to share with you. So there are a lot of great videos that are already part of the channel. We have been creating good content, but it has not been reaching that far. But now with your help and with your support, we should be able to reach more people. If you see, there are videos that are coming every week. So this is the person who is part of Thrive agency. Thrive is one of the well-known digital marketing agency. Those who are in marketing space, they know how big Thrive is. So I interviewed him last week. Then this person is a pricing coach. Her name is Colbert Kleins, and she is one of the well-known pricing coach globally, and quite an knowledgeable person when it comes to pricing. And I interviewed her last week, and this video is already live. Jill Siskin is also one of the well-known PPC experts globally, quite famous for her work in the Google ad space. So a lot of good people are here. A lot of good content is here. Larry Kim is founder of WordStream.io, and right now he is working on another startup called Customers.io. So I interviewed him, I think 4 months ago, and this video is quite knowledgeable if you are working on email lists. So there are a lot of good content that we have already created. If you're not familiar with it, just make sure you subscribe and browse through the channel. Now, today's session, we are going to cover two important concepts here. Those who have joined for the first time, let me quickly walk you through the process, how it actually works. So we have a community already set up. Those who have not joined the community, please make sure you become part of this community here. The community link is shared in WhatsApp group already. If you haven't got the link, then let me quickly share the link here as well. So this is the community, and this is completely free. None of you have paid to join this community so far, and we are not asking you to pay anything for joining this community. The Canva design course is in process. Right now our team is working in editing some videos. I have already edited and uploaded 4 videos, so this is already 3 of them are already live. 2 additional video the team is working on, and with these 5 videos the complete Canva course will be available to you, and make sure you complete it. Today let's cover two important topic in Canva. I was talking about building the social media designs using Canva, so I'll walk you through that today. If you are not interested in completing every chapter, go details of Canva and learn everything on how you can use Canva, then you don't have to go through this course. The live session itself is good enough for you to actually get a basic understanding as a marketer, as a student who want to enter into marketing space. But if you really want to go deep and learn it by heart, then my suggestion is that you go through the entire course, complete the course and get the certificate. This is not just Canva course, guys. We are going to cover some important tools, AI tools that you can use. We are going to cover Google AI Studio. We are also going to cover Chat GPT. I will also give you an overview of Amazon AI image generator. It's a great tool, but you can only access if you have an Amazon ad account. So this is not for everyone, but I will still give you an overview of that tool tomorrow. So make sure you are part of this live class tomorrow, or you join the community as well, so that you can get to practice also. And let me reiterate, this is completely free. We have other communities and we have paid courses, but that is not for students, that is not for people who have just started as a fresher. That's why I'm never going to pitch those products to you. I'm never going to talk about those products to you. First complete the free digital marketing courses, and then if you feel eligible you can talk to my team anytime, but that is not for you. So I'm not going to talk about that in detail. Those who are already running agencies, those who want to build marketing agencies using AI, they can reach out to me personally if they are interested in finding out more about the course. But for you, for people who are joining in the live classes, we will be having a live class almost every day. Let me quickly walk you through the agenda also, what is going to be covered in this entire 90 days period. We are starting with the creative marketer. So in this we'll cover Canva. I've already talked about Canva a lot of times. Then we'll cover the AI content generation using AI tools like ChatGPT. I'm sure you have already used ChatGPT for image creation, but there may be a lot of features or prompts that you have not used it. So we'll explain that. That class will be tomorrow. Tomorrow we will cover three AI tools: AI, Canva AI. Some part of it I'll try to cover it today if we get time. We'll cover Canva AI. We'll cover ChatGPT in detail. We'll cover Google AI Studio, and we will also touch upon Amazon AI image generation. But Amazon AI image generation, as I told you already, is not for people who don't have a ad account on Amazon. So it's only for D2C brands that or agencies that are working on Amazon. But it's a very creative and great tool and very easy to create images, graphics and animated videos, and it's free for ad people who are running ads on Amazon. So it's a great tool, but not for everybody. But I'll still cover it for people who are not familiar with it now. In next week's classes, we will cover something very, very important and fundamental. Not many people tell you about copywriting, what is copywriting and how to do copywriting. We will cover that tomorrow in detail. I'll talk about, so ad creatives and videos is part of the first lesson itself. It will be mostly covered in on Monday, and then we'll complete the creative marketer course. Then we'll start with market research. I'll walk you through the market research tools, including deep research on DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and also Perplexity, and how you can use that market research to build marketing campaigns for yourself and for your client. Then we'll walk you through some copywriting frameworks like PASS, IDA, and other copywriting frameworks. And I will also give you my custom GPT that you can use to build the copywriting process for your clients, for yourself. Then we'll talk about the landing page copy and other ad hooks copy. That is going to be next week's agenda. And in the week 3 we are going to start meta ads. I don't want you to talk everything because I have already covered this agenda, but I did not talk about the agenda yesterday, so a lot of people were asking questions around the agenda. Make sure you have access to this file. This is already shared in the group. Go through the group community and you will be able to access everything. And broadly we are going to cover creative, that is already in process. Then we'll cover market research, that is next week. Then we'll cover copywriting, meta ads, SEO, Google ads, and also we'll try and build some marketing AI agents, because everyone is talking about AI agents also. So once you understand the entire process, so good thing about AI agent is you can create only if you know the process. If you don't know how to do SEO, if you don't know how to write content, then your agent will also know don't know it. So first you have to understand. So that is why we have kept the agentic process in the end, because by then you will be able to understand how to do SEO, understand how to build backlinks, understand how to do digital PR, and maybe you can come up with some use cases for building the AI agent specifically for those categories of use cases, right? So that is what we are going to cover. So what is happening right now is most people are getting confused why we are not getting access to the Canva courses. What is happening right now is we are building the content as we go through the process of live classes. So this week we'll complete the Canva AI tools, image generation, video generation, and you will have access to the full course by the end of this week. Okay, and next 15 to 20 days you are expected to complete the course and get your certification. You will be awarded a certification the moment you complete the course. So if you have not completed the course, do not ask for a certificate. The certificate will be generated the moment you complete your course. and it will be automatically delivered to your email ID. So we don't have anything to do with the certification process. It's a fully automated process. Okay, so don't ask that same question again and again, when will my certificate come? If you complete the course, certificate will come to you. If you do not complete the course, you may not have the certificate, and that is not my problem per se. That is your problem. You are expected to complete the course, only then you can have the certificate. It is that simple. Okay, now next thing that is part of this course, which is also very very important, is the process that we follow. So there will be live class. Those who don't are not interested in certificate, those who just want to learn some basic tools, like Canva and maybe some AI tools that I will cover tomorrow, you don't have to actually go through the entire course inside the community. You don't even have to log in there. It's all right, you can skip that part. You don't really need it, because that is something which may not be helpful for you in that case. So we are not suggesting you go through that. if you have if you are interested in getting certified, if you are interested in getting deeper into this, then definitely you should go through this and understand it in detail. Then you'll have to create an account on the community. So the community link is already shared multiple times in the chat window. Naveen can share again if that is required. Naveen is part of my team and he's managing the chat while I'm talking to you guys. So Naveen, make sure you share the link again if it is not shared. Both WhatsApp group and the community link should be shared in the chat, so that people who want to join the community can definitely join it. Now, the other thing that I want to cover is how to create social media content using Canva. That is the main part of the course curriculum today. So let's start with that. I'll start with an Instagram post first. So simple, it's a very simple tool. Canva is the simplest possible tool, and anybody with zero experience can start using Canva. So it's not a complex tool as other AI designing tool or the graphic designing tools must be there. People who are coming from Photoshop background or people who are not so familiar with the process may find it very easy. Okay, so first thing first, you have to go on the home page. This is where you go, you click on the design, and by default the design that you selected, the dimension that you selected will load in the center. And in the left panel you will have the template that are selected according to your dimension. Now these are predefined templates, people have already defined them. If you look at the template, there is this crown icon which says pro. So if you do not have a pro account, by the way, cost of pro account is only 4,000 per year. If you really want to go deeper into that, my suggestion is that you should have a pro account. There are a lot of features you can use with pro account which might not be available with the free account as such. So definitely go with it if you are interested in growing Canva as one of your services. But if that is not your plan, then maybe continue with the free account. If you just want to practice and make few designs, then free account is also good. But if you want to get pro and if you want to really go deeper into the designing process using Canva, then definitely pro is suggested. Here are some filters. So here you can filter according to the colors. So let's say I select the pink color, orange color, and all the orange template will load below. If I select coral red, then all the coral red templates or all the templates where coral red is one of the color will load here. These are the Instagram posts that we are creating. If you're not familiar with here, by the time you reach here, this is the home page. This is how the Canva home page will look like. It might be slightly different based on what is that you have used last. So my order is different, your order might be different. There's a custom size option also. So if you hover your mouse over let's say on social media post, let me go through social media first. If you hover the mouse here, you see the dimension also, right, along with the landscape. So there's a different dimension for Instagram post, there's a different dimension for Instagram story, there's a different dimension for YouTube thumbnail, there's a different dimension. If you're familiar with what dimension is used, you can simply add your dimension in the custom size here, and it will load you the same template. If you don't know the template dimension, then simply click on Instagram post maybe, and it will take you to the Instagram immediately. Okay, this is where you land once you actually start. Now next thing you need to do is you need to start using the template. For that, select a template and then load it in the just click to load it. This is a pro template, so if you are using free account, my suggestion is that do not waste your time using a pro template, because then you might face challenges in downloading, and there are a lot of small icons that Canva places which is very difficult to remove. You will end up spending more time finding out the pro designs element uh, rather than creating your own design. So if you are using free account, there are a lot of free templates also, so there's no need to go through the paid templates. If you are not a paid user, there are a lot of free templates and they are quite good as such. You can easily customize a template. There are a lot of features available for customization, so that should not be a challenge at all. Next thing, so once you have the template loaded, these are the basic elements. This is the headline, this is the sub headline or other content, these are the contact information. So all of this is editable, and I have covered this in much detail inside my course. So if you're not familiar with it, if you really want to go deeper and learn the tool, then my suggestion is go through the entire course and complete every module. If you are not familiar and if you're not interested in going deeper, then this live class is a good enough reference. All you have to do is you can then select colors. You can change the color from here. This will change the background color of the entire image. This is not going well, you can shuffle it. Then there are a lot of other color options available. Just click on design, then click on this back button and click on styles. You will be able to find out there are so many colors option combinations are already defined. So click on any color and then keep shuffling it. It will automatically select the color combinations according to what combination you are clicking on, and you can keep playing with different colors and it will accordingly. So along with color, it is also changing the font size and font type of the heading and subheading. You can see in the end the combination has colors and the font size also. So if you're not interested in changing the font size, then you can move to color palette. So in color palettes you only change the color. In the combinations you change the colors and also the font. So it's a complete change. So go through it accordingly, whatever you need to do. This is the first thing you need to do in Canva. Then background remover is also a pro feature. So wherever you see this crown, that means it's a pro feature. It is not available in free account. Let's say you want to remove background of a specific image, you can completely just click on it and it will automatically remove the background. So this is without a background now. If you want to switch back, just do a control Z, it will come back in the original shape. So this is how you edit a template. Now if you want to, if you need help in selecting a specific template, there are a lot of templates available according to this dimension. Then there are a lot of filter options. So what you can do is, let's say you're working on a specific industry. Let's say you want to create a testimonial, or maybe you are working with a HR consultancy and you want to have something related to hiring. So you can click on it. The moment you click on a specific category, you will see that the filter are automatically applied. See, I clicked on testimonial here, and the moment I click on testimonial, there are everything related to testimonial, customer reviews, customer feedback, feedback reviews, about us. It will automatically change the filter according to this. If you do not have any filter here, then you get the default filter which will have some recent items that you explored plus some commonly used items. So let's go, we are hiring. There are so many free templates available in we are hiring, right? So you can choose. So all the crown templates are paid, don't have to worry about them. Let's say you want to hire for a specific position, you can choose a template like this. And then if you don't like the color, simply go to styles and then use color palettes. If you just want to change the colors, if you want to change color and font combinations, then click on this first part. If you just want to change the color palettes, then you can do it in the second part as well. So this is how you define the colors within Canva. So simply click, keep shuffling it, it will show you different colors. It is very easy to change the color and combination. If you want to change color and font combinations both, then use this option. This is the other option you can use. Okay, then this design here, let's say you want to change this graphic, just crop it here. If you don't want to crop it, if you just want to completely change it, just then maybe just delete it from here. If you just want to keep it and maybe change the style of it, then remove this part completely. The moment you move it, it is moved out of the design. Then go to elements, and if you did, that was a graphic basic the. So if you want to use another graphic, just go here and search for the option that says graphics. This is the graphics section. So within graphics you will see a lot of options are there. Since this is related to hiring, I'll click on hiring, and it will show a lot more templates, similar graphics. So all the crown icons are pro icons. I'm not using anything that has a crown because that will create problems later, though I'm using a pro account for demo, so I can use it and still download it. But if you try doing this in a free account, you might find it difficult to actually use it. So let's say you want to use another graphic that is not pro, you can simply use it from here. You can use any of the free available options from these options. But if you don't have pro, then you might find limited inventory here. When you go to a filter that is very very specific, then you might find it challenging to find something that is relevant. But you can add more filters to see if something comes up. Let's say this is free, you want to use this, you can simply drag it here, and it will automatically adjust in the frame. You can adjust the size according to your requirement, and this will fix the template here. If you don't like it, if you want to change with something different, you can also search it further. If you don't want to add graphics here, you want to use AI image generator, then you can simply say that I want to have an employee working on a desk in office, or just add a motivated employee. You guys are also motivated, right? So simply click on it, and it'll okay, I clicked the wrong button. A motivated employee. You just have to add 5 words minimum, and it'll start generating image. Click on generate image, and it will help you generate a beautiful image that goes well with the overall design. Guys, only 11 likes on this video, so make sure you like the video. See, you got a lot of images and none of them are pro, so you don't have to worry about something if you're not able to find it in the pro account. You want to add this as part of your image, you can simply drag it here, and this will be loaded. I've loaded it twice, so I'll delete one. This is how it will load. If you want to add it on a specific column, you can do this. And then if you want to remove background, if you have a pro account, then you can also remove the background. This will only keep the person. So all the background images in the background has been removed, right? This is how you can design in Canva. So this is for social media post. All the images are edited in a similar fashion, so you can try it. It's completely free for a non-pro account. You can just simply sign up and start designing. There's no charge for that. Now let's go through another post type, that is video. Many people are confused how people are creating videos. So you can also create video using Canva, and this is very very simple as creating an image. So you don't really have to worry about video. Now here is something that you need to understand. If you're creating a video for a Facebook post, maybe you want to have a landscape video, but you're building an Instagram reel or a mobile video, is the same dimension, right? Both are same dimension, so you can choose either of them. But make sure you have the right dimension selected, because accordingly you'll get the template, and accordingly you'll be able to fit it in the size, right? If you end up using a wrong size, then you might find it difficult to actually adjust it. Okay, so that is something that you need to keep in mind while going through the process of designing. Those who are seeing the course as locked, you will be able to unlock it after you have been in the community for 2 days. For some people it might come as locked, but it is not permanently locked, by the way. You will be able to use it, explore the course once you have been in the community for 2 days. Anyway, we are adding the module, so by Friday it will be available for anyone and everyone. I see there are 30 people in this group right now. 30 people are listening to me live, and there are only 11 likes on the video, and not many might have subscribed. So make sure you do that, guys. This is the basic courtesy I expect from you, because I'm trying to teach you so many things. This is the Canva video editing process. So video, if you want to cut the video, if you want to edit some part of it, you can do it here. You can trim it, you can adjust the duration. You want to increase the duration, you can increase the duration from here. You can add another video. If you want to have two videos joining each other, you can add here. And then there's a process of adding transition. You can edit the transition here. Similarly, if you want to add music to it or add some part of voice to it, you can simply do that as well within here itself. Let me remove this and maybe try to add some real videos. So if you click here, it will load a blank page. But if you don't need a blank page, then maybe go back in the design and search for other templates. So you will be able to see something related to this. Since we are creating something related to smart homes, this is the template that I ended up selecting without even thinking of it. So I'll select something related to this only, so that we have the uh, follow the same process that I've explained earlier. Do not use a pro template if you're using a free account. But if you want to become an expert, then my suggestion again is go for a pro account. But I'm not getting anything out of it, guys. So do not say that I'm doing it for my personal gain. That is not the case here. But you can keep adding videos. You can add another template here just by dragging here. So now we have two videos joining each other. Let's run it from here. This is how the first video looks like. Now when the second video changes, the transition is slightly awkward, right? So you see this button here, say add transition. You can add let's say you add one to dissolve transition. So next time when you run the video from beginning, you will see a smoother transition happening. Okay, it will be much smoother when you have added a transition, and people will not be able to feel it. So it's that smooth. If you want to cut the video, you can cut it from here. You'll be able to cut a part of video, split the page into different sections. So let's say I splitted it this two section. Let's say you want to cut this specific video, then maybe first drag it further so that you have a complete clarity. And then you can click right and click on split page. It will split it further. Let's say you want to remove this middle part, simply remove it from here. Just delete this, and this is your new video. Now there are two sections here, so you want to add transition so that it does not look awkward when moving from one video to another. Simply add the transition. Similarly, say you want to add voice, then go back to the elements, and there you will see audio. So let's say you want to add a specific music. All of this is mostly pro, so you may not be able to find the right music if you're trying to add with a free, but you can generate an AI voice. All you have to do is simply add a prompt. Try an example. Let's say for now we want to try an example. Did you know Amazon crows cannot go backward? You want to have a specific voice, you can use only these two with free, but with paid you may be able to use more. If you want to have a specific language, then maybe you'll be able to find the voiceover in specific language. In Hindi we have Isha and Kishore. So you can use, let's say you want to click on generate AI video and AI voice, and it will simply generate the AI voice. You see this is already added here. You want to add AI voice in a specific section of the video, you can drag it and add it in specific section. If you want to have it across the video, then you can simply drag and drop here. And this is how you create the video using Canva. I'm not going in detail and explaining the entire video process, creation process. This is very simple tool. Just keep trying it and you will be able to come up a lot of quality videos. And these are the things that happen with practice. And that is why I'm suggesting again and again that you go through the entire course and learn everything while you are exploring the course. So let me quickly walk you through the course modules again, so that I make sure none of you have missed it. This is here in the membership section. You will see the course. Once you click on resume course, these are the Canva modules, and we will add other modules as we create them. So our team is already working on editing Canva modules. We have started with basics. Then I've created two modules with the examples. The video and brand kits are something that is in process. That is the module on Canva. It will have 5 or 6 sections. Then apart from Canva, as I told you already, we will be covering some other AI tools, including ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, Amazon AI, and also we'll cover some tools there. You can create funky videos that you see on internet and wonder how these are created. Some animal pets videos and other examples, and how you can professionally edit those videos by bringing them in Canva. So that is something that we will explain in tomorrow's class, and also that will be added as part of the course curriculum once it is available. So make sure you definitely sign up and go through the entire course. If you don't have the community link, make sure you get it from Naveen. Naveen, can you share the link again in the chat window, please, of the community, so that people who have not joined the community make sure they are part of it. I'm repeating again, this course is entirely free for everyone who is coming on a live class and anyone who joins the community. So make sure you invite your friends, people who you know who can benefit from digital marketing process. We are covering a lot of topics and it is completely free for everyone. But make sure you're not spamming the community. Otherwise, I might end up removing you from there. So be courteous, make sure you don't spam it. This is not going to help anyone. Naveen, paste the link in this YouTube chat window also. Yes, of course you will be able to do digital marketing after completing the course. Magic Media comes with the pro account, Harshit. It is not part of the free account. We have also started posting lots of internship and job opportunities for you. So if you're looking for jobs or if you're looking for some freelancing opportunities, make sure you keep browsing the community on regular basis. You will see a lot of new jobs getting posted almost on daily basis. Right now I'm posting it, but I will be assigning a team member who will do the research and keep bringing the new jobs for you in the community. And this introduction section, it is for you. So I've seen a lot of people joining yesterday and today, but they have not introduced themselves. So make sure you write an introduction. This is a community where you can connect with each other, discuss with each other, and maybe become friend or become colleagues. But do not try to spam, do not try to stalk. If I get any such complaints, then I'll simply have to block you. There's no other option. But stay courteous and get familiar with each other and start learning as soon as possible. The course on Canva, all the Canva modules will be available for you maximum by tomorrow. My team is already editing the videos. I have created those videos and they are editing it. And once the editing is done, it will be uploaded in Canva. And tomorrow, by the end of the day, or maybe on Friday, we will also upload all the other AI tools that I've been talking about, including AI on Amazon, ChatGPT, and Google AI Studio. And we'll explore the image and video generation process using these AI related tools. Then I'll explain how you can create ad related videos which you have not created so far. So make sure you're part of the community, make sure you're learning and enjoy your learning process, guys. This opportunity is not going to be forever. I might end up moving the creative marketing course to other paid communities and remove it from here. But it will be available for you at least for 15 days. So the complete course will be available from Friday onwards. And for next 15 days, you are free to consume the content, learn Canva, and get your certificate. After 15 days, I don't know, right now we have not decided, but for now the only promise I'm making is that creative marketing course that we are designing now, and every other course that we are making through live video and also designing along with you, will be available for you for free in this community. So this opportunity is not going to be repeated again. This is your one chance. Already there are 144 people, you can see there are 144 people in the community. Make sure you part of it and make sure you're learning. Start with your Canva and creative design process, and as we go through the process we will cover a lot of content that I've already explained to you. Not going back again and again. So this is it for tomorrow. Today we are already in the 45th minute. I will end the live stream now. For any questions, you can reach out to us on 10xmarketerpodcast at gmail.com. That is the support ID that is specifically created for this group of this community. You are also part of our WhatsApp group. So both me and other admins are part of the WhatsApp group. You can ask questions if you have specific questions in the WhatsApp group. You can also ask question in this community. You can ask questions here. There is a support section within the community itself. You can post your question here and make sure somebody, either me or someone from my team, respond to your queries. All the job related announcement and internship job opportunities or freelancing opportunities, we'll keep posting it here. And if you find them relevant, we have just all these opportunities are available on internet or through the private network of WhatsApp groups that I have. They will be posted here, and it will be available for you to apply for free. We are not charging anything for these job opportunities. We are not charging anything for learning. So this is a great opportunity. Do not miss it, but make sure you do not spam it. Do not create any kind of problem here. Just stay courteous and keep learning. Tomorrow I'll cover Chat GPT, I'll cover Google AI Studio, I'll also cover Amazon AI Studio, and we'll also cover some other AI tools that can help you generate quality videos, including Canva AI. That is the syllabus for tomorrow. But before that, make sure you are part of this community, make sure you have created the account, and make sure you are learning on regular basis. Okay, so that's it for today. And Karthik, the syllabus is already there on the screen. Can you see it? This is the syllabus we are going to cover. It's already here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. And I think it was a nice, quick chat for today. We have covered how to design Canva posters and Canva videos. I've given you a quick walkthrough. If you want to go in detail and learn everything, then go through the course and complete the course to get your certificate also. And you can also apply through the jobs for through the community. So that's all for today. I'm ending this stream now. All your questions should be directed in the group and community as discussed already. Thank you so much, and it was lovely talking to you all. Have a nice evening, and make sure you subscribe to the 10x Marketer podcast channel before you leave for today. And also go through the videos. We have created a lot of great content. If you have time, go through some of the interviews that I have conducted with all the guests. So that's all. Take care. Thank you so much, and it was a pleasure talking to you. Good evening.